Welcome back once again, guys, to my channel. I hope you all are well. First of all, I want to thank all those who like my videos, keep supporting and loving. My dear friends, I am here again with a very amazing video of most beautiful jumpsuits of this season. Do you love dressing up in complete outfits? Like jumpsuits or casual wear that add an elegant touch to your attire? So, this content will focus on showing you the best styles, including beautiful jumpsuits, a practical and elegant way to always look stunning. One of the advantages of wearing complete outfits is the versatility it provides. When it comes to combining garments with a beautiful pair of high heels and a few accessories, you can achieve an elegant look. If you're a woman who adores dressing up in styles like the ones I'm showing, you usually know how to create perfect combinations for every occasion. And if you're looking for ideas on how to dress beautifully with these combinations, this content features many different styles that you can mix and match for various occasions, using clothes that best suit your body type. Among the styles we showcased, we focused on beautiful jumpsuit and catsuits, as well as sporty clothing for a casual weekend look, always complemented with gorgeous shoes to add a feminine and glamorous touch. Within the showcase styles, we have a wide variety. Some are in solid colors, while others feature colors and stripes that add a more sophisticated touch. The main idea of this content is to present you with a selection of jumpsuits or complete combinations that allow you to enhance your beauty in a practical and uncomplicated way. These garments are highly popular in today's fashion, as we can see on social media and in department store sales, both online and in physical stores. Do young women prefer jumpsuits or one-piece garments for dressing up? As mentioned earlier, they provide an elegant appearance and a quick way to achieve a combined and sophisticated look that suits the current trends. Did you like the garments we showcased in this content? So please leave a comment on the topic and let us know which jumpsuit you like the most. For more content, subscribe my channel Satra Products and don't forget to share this video so that our community keeps growing. Thank you very much for your great support, and I hope to see you in the next video.